with a 10. Okay, I'm going to go ahead, and anytime you do shag, basically remember it's just nothing but threads going upward. So if I start here, this is my belt line right along here, so I'll start right along here. And I'm just going to throw the shags going up. Actually, this might be too light. Let's do 30. Okay, we'll do 30. So in actuality, that shag is going to go up, and it goes in different directions, okay? And it's going to go forward and backwards in all kinds of directions, so you can see, okay? And what I'm going to do is just kind of fill this space up and going in different directions as I do it. And this is probably the most inconvenient one, because what you're trying to do is just kind of make this look spontaneous. Nobody ever combs their shag or rakes it or anything like that, so you just kind of throwing some lines in different directions. Okay, you want to kind of give it a fill. And the goal is not to leave any or very little white space. Okay, you want to fill it up so there's, because again, there's no white space in anything. Okay, so you fill it up most of the way. Okay, good. Now it looks shaggy. Okay, and then I'm going to do some of them on the side here. And now gravity takes over when you're going on a vertical surface, so it's going to go downhill. It comes down this way. No yawning. When you fall asleep, you're in deep trouble. Okay, and again I fill it up. And again, I'm starting with that 30%. But I always want to make sure it goes downhill, okay? Because, again, gravity makes it go in one direction. Okay, so that's 1030. I'll go to the 50 now just to get that extra value going, because again, we want to make sure that it's a transitional value. So as it goes downhill beyond that certain point, we start picking up the next value, and we still leave some of the other lighter values in there sporadically. But the key is, again, make it look like it's going downhill. And later on we'll detail it. Yawning. If you yawn, you have to get everybody an iced frappuccino mocha latte. Okay. So basically you can see our values. But again, if you look at shag, you'll always see speckles of different colors in there. And they do that on purpose so it doesn't make it too monotonous. Okay, so you get little, now and then you get little speckles of red and green and blue in there. And so with that, I'm just kind of throwing a few little extra, and it just adds more depth to your drawing. Okay, so that's basically it for the shag. Let's see, what's this? This is 50. Let me just throw a couple of 70s in there, and I'll come in just a few and get some darker colors. Just a few 70s, okay? I heard that. Okay, so now we'll leave it like that for now. So now I'm going to come in there and throw some, I'll throw some leather in there. So most leathers are browns, okay, so I'll pick a couple of brown colors here.